Thatha amehlo wami uhambe nawo, kulungile ngingaboni, ngizobona ngomopho. Thatha indlebe zami iy'hlale ngakuwe, kulungile ngingezwa, ngifuna ukuzwa ngawe. Yeyi madoda, izinto abantu abay'khulumayo uma basethandweni, heyi ziyamangaza. Kodwa asikho lapho. Sanibonani football lovers. Welcome to Sportibonga. Igama lami Bonginkosi. Ngithembe nikahle, niyaphila. Ngaphambi kokuthi ngiqale, ningakhohlwa ukulike nokusubscribe to the channel if anikaka-subscribe. But uma usubscribile, cela nje ungishiyele ulike on the video. Kungawenza omkhulu umehluko and ngingabonga kakhulu. Danko. Yeah, it is true when they say ukuthi in search of gold, never lose a diamond. Because not all that glitters, it is gold. Hey, isilungu madoda. Akusho mina, kusho it's George. But here I'm talking about a player called Bradley Cross. We know him. Good last season, it wasn't first good season for him, especially coming from a club like Golden Arrows and come to a club like Kaizer Chiefs, whereby you know very well with everything that you do, it has the attention of the whole country, especially if you come to vacate a position like a left back, whereby we haven't been recruiting good players in that position. But we expect you to deliver, but we shower in day one. Stage fright is imkhahlelile on his first season, but this season it seems like it is coming out of his shell, because last season till this season, we were pushing to find a specialist in that left back position. We wanted players like Abo Fawaz Basadin, Hanamub, and Uta Cruz from Pedro Tuluanda, but we didn't get those players. But we managed with this a player like Upaseko Marco and Unkanyiso Shinga, but still Ukross made sure Guti naye he doesn't shy away from the attention of Guti Ahulwele for that left back position, because we know very well Guti this season he's one of the most improved players, including him and Brendan Peterson and Zita Kuniko, of which I'd say Guti they all of the three of them made sure Guti they use the criticism to their advantage, because they received their fair share of the criticism. But manje masibeka in terms of how he plays, it simply shows ukuthi if we were focused too much on trying with these Tolelama players that we wanted, we couldn't have seen this side of Bradley Cross that he's showing us, the improvement in each and every game that he plays, and also taking into consideration his mental strength, because he did say he wanted to quit because the pressure was overwhelming. But because of his friends and family advised him, no, don't quit, try to push, because now he understands, no, this is what I have to do in order for me to win the hearts of the fans. Even though most of the fans haven't really given much to him, okay, we give you our full support, but most they are, because lesa style ashayile versus Simba lesa explore. But ama-performances wakhe, he's one of the consistent players we have in Echorena, him and Ox. They always make sure they give their 100% whenever they are playing. So that simply means Guti, sometimes we might want our players that we want, because we know Guti they are good players, they can offer us what we want. But neglecting the ones that we have, it simply means Guti, instead of us uplifting their spirit, we are derailing them down. We derail their progress, because we know very well Guti these players, at some point we have to understand Guti they are human beings, and they are also prone to making mistakes, and also they become off form when time goes by. But for them to be able to come back from all the criticism, all the bad things that they go through in life, it simply means it takes character for them to do so. So for a player like Bradley Cross, I'm not surprised, because it wasn't by fluke ukuthi uhambile wayodlala England, wadlala nase-Germany for a shock Germany and in Newcastle England, and then wabuya weza kuma-Respect and then to Golden Arrows. But it shows ukuthi his journey It wasn't an easy one, but he always shows soldiers on in order ukuthi azofinyelela la khona. And for him now, I'd say ukuthi if he continues like this until the season ends, he's going to be our preferred choice when it comes to that left back position. Because he's one player I'd say which is proper and well developed, and he keeps things simple, focuses on the basics. Because in everything in life, if there's one thing that is difficult to do, it's to keep it simple. Many people want to do the difficult things, but those simple ones are the ones. That's why you'll find someone that just need only a pass to dissect 4 players. Uzofuna ukushaya skill and then bammark balithatha ibhola. But for him to be able to do that, it shows ukuthi in terms of a technique, he's good. But besingahlelanga kuye kakhulu because we know ukuthi kwezinye izinto empilweni umuntu mase ukumncoma kuba ngathi uyamosha because uzobe usuyaqala ke ayenze izinto ezibheke eceleni. But hopefully ukuthi ngokuqhubeka kwesikhathi, ngokuhamba kwesikhathi uzogive more to the club. We want to see him more overlapping, putting on those crosses, because we see now ukuthi there's another aspect in his game. He knows how to invert inside, and he does that with caution. He knows ukuthi makaqeda he makes sure ukuthi mela kwazi ukuya, because I see him ukuthi he's best when he makes sure ukuthi he defends in a small space compared to a larger space. Because that's why last season it was difficult because uzofuna uku-overlapper ajumpe i-center line azithola udlala lapha ngaku-zone 16 and it becomes difficult for him to track a back, because if he's gonna face a speedy winger uba difficult. But makadlala lana in those short at spaces, it gives him enough time to be able to recover, because he has ukuthi uzobadlala lapha kubo zone 7, because he knows very well with Manglapana there's short distance to cover going backwards. But the best thing is that he's offering us what we want from a fullback so far. So there's nothing negative about the cross. And then let's talk about the player uKlodi Makabulilebo. Before ungena kuyo, I want to highlight something ukuthi many people think ukuthi foreign players that are playing for Kaizer Chiefs are not being called to their national teams because they are playing for Kaizer Chiefs, not because of the other reasons that may be available, but it is because there's Kaizer Chiefs. And I want to say there's nothing like that, because number one, for a player to represent his own national team, it is because he's an asset to that country. He offers the value. Just for example, we just signed a player like Ukosiphawa Ighodaro. In your mind, do you think ukuthi Ighodaro angabizwa eNigeria while khona uOsimhen, while khona that striker of theirs that plays for Wolverhampton in England? Because I believe it's all about kuti, are you an asset in your country, or are you giving them what the others cannot give? Example, now uSilva akakadlali ngisho nama games ayi-6 for Chiefs, but ubiziwe waena i-national call-up. It is because he has something to offer in that country, not because of his playing for Kaizer Chiefs. Castillo was often called last season and last season Gouverne as well, while playing for Kaizer Chiefs. A Kaizer Chiefs that was not doing well, but he was being called. For Miguel yake ibuhlungu because Kaizer Chiefs might be a big team in South Africa, but not in Angola. In Angola, they focus most of the players when they call them to the national team. It is because they are playing for a Petro de Luanda and the other clubs that are there. So for a player that is not based in Angola, plays in South Africa, Kaizer Chiefs might be big, but not in Angola. Angola inayo, and also they have most of their players, most of them they play in Europe. So angeke kube simple, is all about good. If you are not offering what they cannot get from the players that play in their league and their best club, where it is called within Petro de Luanda, angeke ubizwe often. But for others, uyakwazi ukubizwa. For Ulilepo, as I've said, mangiqala ukuthi I'm going to talk about him. With the reason why he's not being called up with DRC, it is not because of he plays for Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs is not doing well, but it is because of his own personal vendetta because it was stated ukuthi for him bangasambisi, it is because he didn't want to travel with the squad because he was taken out of the matchday squad in that game that they were supposed to play for a national team. So that one is personal between Ulilepo and the national coach or Sebastian. So it simply means ukuthi now it's not about ukuthi udlalele Chiefs, but it's about ukuthi bona babodwa bayisolve kanjani that situation, because obviously you know very well ukuthi attitude and behavior, it is important in football if you want to go far with your career and if you want to succeed in your career. Because if ever you don't have those two, the chances of you having a good career are rare, because coaches, they know good if a player is not disciplined, there's nothing you can do, you can help that player with when it comes to in terms of a discipline, because it seems like they are not coachable. For him not being part of a traveling squad, a match day squad, it didn't mean good he's a bad player, but in that game the setup was not around him. He had to accept as a player and own up. No, there are other players that can play, because every player you can see, even noma iKaizer Chiefs idlala, ubona ama players bale bahleli le phezulu kuma stands, they understand ukuthi okay kumele sibe khona. But manje wena mangafuni ukuhamba neteam, it simply means ukuthi wena uzibona ungaphezulu. So now they are in a process ukuthi ilungiswe that situation yabo ukuthi kube nokuthelelana amanzi manje, because angazithola sechancini ukuthi amise out on playing AFCON and ukuya ku FIFA World Cup if iDRC win their game that they have to play, because sebayidlalile le against Nigeria bakuna kuma penalty. So for him uLilepo sekusele kuye ke manje ukuthi uSebastian uzizwa kanjani ukuthi uLilepo abuye azo represent national team, because they've been doing well angekho, so akukho nje angakwenza naye. But into emele sifame konke ukuthi it's not about ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs ebenza ukuthi bangabizwa, no, abanye bayabizwa badlalela iKaizer Chiefs, abanye ababizwa because simply means ukuthi abasama asset for their country and they don't bring much value. You can be a good player for your club, but when it comes to a country, they look at all the best players that are at their disposal. So if they see with mababheka ku top 3, no, ayikho ingwenya, or babheka ku top 5 with ingwenya ayikho, asingayibiza. But if you offer something nakanjani bazokubiza. So into nje ithe kube kanjalo. So let's move to last topic, calling all stars. You know ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs ishanga 4 players there, and many people were complaining ukuthi why kunganikwa ama players that are not participating in Chiefs games, especially ama French players, but people opted to vote for ama players that are regular. But I think lapha kulama players ama regular lapha yana it's Mfundo Vilakazi and Brendan Peterson. The rest laba bayi2 are our DDC boys. So it simply means ukuthi we have to focus on that. But it was going to be a good thing ukuthi kunikwe amanye ama players a chance ukuthi bakwazi ukudlala, because I'm looking forward in that midfield pairing ka Alende and uThulani Mabaso to see ukuthi babuye basiphethele, because whoever we're gonna face kuma final, whoever that we're gonna face with that All Stars Cup final game, simply means ukuthi mele senze sure ukuthi team iqinile, because solo kuyaqalwa this initiative, All Stars ayikazi win, ayikazidliwe ku that game. But I feel like on this one is going to be a competitive one, because Motuyabega, there's a balance in that squad, a mixture of youthfulness and seniority. So it simply means now it's all about that. But Brendan Peterson leading the vote, if maybe bekhona indlela, maybe bangamkhipha bafaka ubani uBontle Molefe na to get a run, but akwenzeki, ama fans they know what they want. So njengoba nje ibonakala nje lapha eGreenland ukuthi ime kanjena, and asazi ukuthi iyagcina lapha because isazokhuphuka. Abanye bebakhona baphumile, uMayo beyakhona wa replacewa Tshegofatso Mabasa na seka replace uTshepang Moremi nabo. So I don't know if kuzoba ile team le enye ke lena eningayithandi ezoya kuma final, kusho ukuthi kumele aphume uMoremi, bangamreplace ngamunye umuntu, uyophuma noNduli, kusho ukuthi kumele kubuye abanye abantu. But ningaloku ningagcini ngokubukela kuphela, if you want to see ama players etniwathandayo niwavoteleni nani in order ukuthi azoba khona, because there's also a champion coach emeli ibe khona laphana. Hayi sengikhulumile kuningi, asivale.